Hello, friends. Hello. Keeks has got a little bit more color in him. Okay, if this playlist is gonna work. Maybe if I add to collection. Oh no. Brian will check in now. Already, I just had to do a little one-on-one call with him because he didn't take a trade yesterday and he thought his strategy was failing, but I just had to tell him again that he was mentored by the best, so he shouldn't doubt himself. So he'll be back now. Told him to go have a good look in the mirror and tell himself, I am the best trader because I've been mentored by the best. So once he's done with those affirmations, he should be be the best. You got to be mentored by the best. That's what they say. I don't know. I can ask Keegan now what he thinks about it.
What are you asking me about now?
No, asking where Brian was, and I said I had to have a one-on-one call with Brian because he didn't take a trade yesterday, and he thought his strategy doesn't work anymore. So I told Brian to quickly before stream just go into the bathroom and say I am the best because I've been mentored by the best.
There we go. So it's positive confirmations.
Yeah. Chad, we are going to be high as kites here this morning. Smell that glue. Shay. Yeah, we're gonna have to open up somewhere. Taryn's gonna be, I don't know what she's doing there with the door closed. She's gonna be absolutely. Chad, how's everyone doing? Kigo, how are you feeling this morning, my brother?
Feeling good, bro. Feeling good. Didn't really sleep well last night.
Why?
So I don't know, bro. For the first time, because I never used to sleep with my watch on. So I was like, let me actually sleep with it, start tracking my sleep. Yesterday was excellent. I woke up this morning and the thing's just like poor. I was like, yep, I could have told you that one. So a little bit tired, but we good to go.
What is your sleep score?
I'll tell you now.
I got an 80 last night.
That was me the night before. I got an 86 or something the night before. Last night I got 36. 36 last night.
Let's quickly check here. What was mine?
Bro, for the first time last night I was looking at it. I was like, you know when you're not sleeping, I'm starting to get those like blue bags under my eyes now. But we got to keep moving.
Okay, your activity is ready to view. Where's my sleep? Keeks. I'm gonna have to download all of these songs because I'm gonna have to manually. Chat, I just want to check what was my sleep score. Let's see here. Just syncing quickly. Because I haven't been sleeping with that machine. So last night was the first time in a while, or in like a week. Let's check it.
I still need to get myself one of those sleep apnea machines.
Joe, it's gonna change your life, dude. I promise you. Just go for that sleep study check. It's like 1,000 rand or 1,200 for the 3-day sleep study, and then you know. If you don't have sleep apnea, then me and Laz talked about it the other day. We think like 80% of men have sleep apnea, but it's undiagnosed.
Eskom decided to have maintenance right before landing. I'll try my best to stream via data. Hey, we love the dedication.
Bro, why is this thing not sinking? Come on.
You're having a bit of a tough time there, brother.
I just want to check my sleep score. Hi. Wait. You check now, I have to click the next one.
H, bro. Garmin's there.
No, I mean the songs. Sis, Garmin. Okay, but I got an 80 weight.
Chad, I'm just saying, you see how quick it was there for me to look at an Apple.
Let me see what. Where is my sleep?
Camera lighting looks good. Yeah, it's definitely better. Chris not selling Garmin while yeah.
Okay, last try, then we're gonna start. Let me see. Garmin Connect.
Morning, James. What's up, Jeremy? Hope you're doing well, brother.
Okay. Chad, it was an 80. A lot of REM.
It was an 80.
Short.
So you still couldn't get it. We just confirmed in that.
Okay. Chad, but as always, before we start here, we are gonna pray. Hope you guys are ready for that. Quick one, I'm going to share the link a little bit later with you. Something interesting I was watching last night. This guy did a study on 1,500 people that were clinically dead and then came back to life, and the experience they had. So something very cool to have a look at, where all of them, 94% of them, had the same experience, but I'm not going to spoil it for you guys. You guys can go and watch that. But before we start, Chad, let's pray, let's bow our heads, and let's get ready for the session. Father, we just want to come to you this morning, and we want to thank you for another day. Thank you for blessing us with another day of life. Thank you that your hand of grace and mercy is over us. Thank you that we can go into this day knowing that you will never leave us nor forsake us, and that you are always with us. I pray that you will go with myself, Kigo, as we go into this session, give us wisdom, insight, and I also pray for the chat, the community, everyone watching the stream, joining here daily, engaging with our content. Father, I just pray that you will meet them right where they are at. Whatever it is they're going through, Lord, everyone has got their own struggles, challenges that they're facing, and that they can know that you are close by and near, and that you are always there for us. Father, you are just one prayer away. And we also pray for our families as they go about our day, our wives, our kids, our parents, grandparents, relatives, and friends as they go about today. Lord, I just pray that you will be with them as well. And we ask this not because we deserve it, because we are not deserving of anything good, but yet you extend your graces and your mercies that are new every single morning. And I pray this and I ask this in the mighty name of our Lord and Savior, Jesus Christ. And if you believe it, Chad, you can drop amen right now.
Amen, Chad.
Amen. Amen. Alrighty, Chad, let's get straight into the economic calendar. Okay, nothing much this morning. We've got some data, but nothing major. It's possible to... Oh, it's only got these settings. Okay, so nothing for this morning. A little bit later this afternoon, we've got some Canadian news. We've got some Fed speakers, Bowman and Moran, and then we've got some real clear markets, optimism, and then we've got Bostic as well, and then Kashkari. I think this is part of that. This is at the Star Tribune's North Star Summit in Minneapolis, Minnesota. Okay. So let's get straight into the charts. So in front of me, we've got the dollar on the daily, and let's quickly have a look at what do we have. So we currently have music not too loud for you, Keegs.
A little. It's loud, but it's a vibe.
I just don't want to lose the effect of the sound. Okay. Okay, chat. So we are currently in a daily range. We are bullish. We've got a top wick to fill. No bottom wick on this daily candle, so it's going to be quite interesting. But currently looking bullish. And looking on the lower time frames, we can see a nice clear move above Asia highs. There's your EQ. I don't know if that is your EQ, but if it is, we've got this zone to monitor, most likely a retest there and a continuation. Point of control is also sitting down here, so could see a little bit of a deeper pullback, a little bit of a gap there, but what I want to monitor going into the session is what is going to happen right there. Okay, US 30 on the daily, a little bit messy yesterday if I'm going to be honest with you guys. US 30 on the daily, we are bullish on the day. We can clearly see that we are breaking structure to the upside. Also mentioned to you guys yesterday that we have not yet retested this area, so I would expect some bearish move to come and retest this area, see if we are actually going to stay bullish. One daily candle, not enough for me to be bearish, but obviously we can see that there is some bearish order flow here. Could just be a pause of the move up, and we can see another move to the upside. Massive drop here from yesterday, and currently trading below the 200 EMA, so that is relatively bearish for us. Will I sell at Asia lows? Absolutely not. What I would want to see is the EQ. Okay, something up here for potential shorts. Point of control is sitting somewhere there. Okay, only way I can really short Asia lows is if we get a very strong move below Asia lows. Other than that, this can trade all the way back up there. So not the greatest price action we've got here, but we're going to see what price is going to do. So nothing here for me. Are currently trending bearish, but let's see if we can hold Asia lows and see where it goes from there. NASDAQ on the daily, a little bit of a different story. Yesterday closing bullish. Okay, so we are bullish on the day. Nice little breakout there on the daily. So a little bit of a double break. Only thing I do not like is when we start breaking, testing, and then a minor break. So I don't know if we're going to come back in this range, but it is bullish on the day. All right, so we are bullish on the day. However, there's your 200 EMA. There's Asia high. So this again not setting up the best. So what you could actually look at here is maybe some shorts here. Shorts if we reject that area and trading it back into that zone. But price action here as well not looking fantastic. Gold, all right, gold. Key thing to mention here today is the following. Previous daily high got taken during Asia, failed to continue higher. That is quite critical for me. Okay, I am so glad that the chat is 60% long. That gives me confidence that the shorts could play here today. I love you, chat, but We all have seen the stats. No, I'm kidding. Okay, Chad, for me, very, very simple. This morning, multiple failures above that previous daily high. We can see there, yeah, 1, 2, 3. Okay, I'm not saying that we cannot go. That could also be a target, all right? That could be a false top. I don't know if you can call it that, Keeks. I don't know if that is
I think you can.
correct, a false top. But nonetheless, if that is actually an area of liquidity, then what you're going to see is that we are actually going to hold in this zone, and we are actually going to continue bullish, and we are still going to stay on the bull side of the curve. All right, 200 EMA. I told you guys yesterday, very simple. Above the 200 EMA, we buy. Below, we sell. If we get something like this, I'm going to absolutely love the sells, because we can get a very nice drop, something similar to what we had yesterday. I think that faked out a lot of guys, but still we were above the 200. So if you were selling there, that is on you. That is a you problem. So 2 scenarios here for me. Beautiful, beautiful price action here for us. These are the 2 scenarios. This is the area where we are going to move from this morning. And then last but not least, we've got German 30. German 30 weekly, I mentioned to you guys, super bullish. And then yesterday, I also mentioned to you guys this daily zone, right? This daily zone right here. If you look to my left, your left as well, you can see that we had quite a bit of reaction off that level, right? So major daily level. And what happened yesterday? Beautiful retest there, taking the previous daily low, closing bullish. So this is bullish for me while we hold above that zone. And what I want to see now, beautiful Asia lows. There we go. All you want to see now is a hold above Asia lows and to get back above this 200 EMA. And I might even take it on the daily flip as well, Chad. So if we start flipping bullish on the day, this is the bottom wick, and we are going to start driving to that previous daily high, and then effectively the Friday's high becomes a target here for us. So I'm definitely bullish on this. I'm not going to sell this. Even if sell set up, I'm going to purely look for buys. But Chad, I'm going to give over to Kigo. For the guys that know, this is Kigo Lazy. So if everyone can just put a round of applause together there for Kigo in London.
There we go, Chad. Yeah, there's not really anything to even think of. Chad.
They should have never allowed me on this soundboard.
We got rid of Trump and Powell. Now we're gonna show them how we need to run gold over here. But Chad, let's start it off. So let's have a look at the dollar quickly and what's happening over there. So the first thing I wanted to get you guys to take notes of is what we're going to be seeing on that higher time frame. And again, the big thing for me, remember I said to you, as long as we are, we have that shutdown happening and stuff like that, I'm not expecting us to break out. Very, very simple. We are in a range. You can obviously see this all over there to the left. And the big thing for me I want to take note of is literally, guys, you could even just do yourself a favor and do that. Marking out those highs over there from that breakout point. And literally around about these lows over there. Now, why am I taking these lows and not those lows? Obviously, it's a bit more of a structural low. But the big thing is, again, we are around that key area of the 9700, that yearly support and monthly pivot. So quite a few areas you'd have to break to even kind of get to this point firstly. But as long as we're in here, we are just going to be range bound. And we can obviously see that with the idea of having gaps opening, another gap, no bottom wick. So a lot of potential to always turn around. Now, going back to it again, I'm not going to expect any breakouts. So what does that mean? I'm obviously going to be quite neutral with, again, the idea of a range. So when we say that, if I look at this now on a lower time frame, and an example of that, we have Asia lows, Asia highs. And we can see Asia lows already untested with a gap opening. What is that noise, bro? I heard it earlier and I feel like I'm losing my mind.
What noise is that?
They don't.
Oh, that's my Garmin vibrating.
I was like earlier, I was like, what the hell is that noise?
No, sorry, it's the
No,
Garmin.
I'm just trying to figure out what is that, bro.
No, I just want to log in here so you can auto playlist this thing.
But we're obviously trading quite bullish now, Chad. So we can really see, as long as it holds above Asia highs, the potential of a daily R1 to at least test this area, then reject to come all the way back down. Daily pivot, previous weekly highs, also untested since the breakaway, and Asia lows as well, untested, as we say, with that gap to the downside. So that's all left open on the target. But again, it could even run, like we said, all the way to that previous daily high. But then there's that weekly R2, which is almost going to keep us in that range and bring us back down. So not expecting anything too crazy on the dollar. Going over to NASDAQ. Let's have a look here, guys. Obviously, markets had quite a big day yesterday for those that were trading the indices. NASDAQ, a little bit of a choppy one. Also had a little bit of a slower start, but was also quite aggressive off of the rip yesterday. Big thing I want to take note, firstly, we can see weekly pivot, again, still underneath us, untested, but we have tested the weekly R1. So that's something you want to take note of. Now, two things here for me, Chad. I always like to talk about it this way. Very, very simple. Now, almost want to say I have a little bit of a bearish outlook. Now, as much as we are bullish, we are very, very bullish, don't get me wrong. There is the potential of a short here. Now, why do I say that? Very simple. Weekly R1 is obviously our resistance area. Now, we always talk about having that test, and then I always like to talk to you guys about having that fake out. So that's what you kind of got here now. So the test, this is where the guys go, oh no, the sells are going to come in. You kind of get them out or tap them at break even, whatever the case is, and now you're going to start seeing that sell come into play. So very simple. All we're going to look for here on NAS today, if that sell does come to play, I'm not saying it's a definite bearish day, just be careful of that. But what you can see, Asia lows, Asia highs. Now you've tested that previous weekly high, which again, you guys know it. I've been like a broken record about those previous weekly highs and previous daily highs as reversal zones. So again, you can see that one coming into play. All I'd be looking for there today then is, as long as you can get underneath Asia highs. So at the moment, we broke into the Asia range, holding a daily pivot. If this little pullback can reject Asia highs, again, Asia lows untested, you want to see that play. And because I'm bearish, again, with the grabber, I'd rather, before anyone saying Keeks, but there was the grabber play, that is 2:45 in the morning. I am a bit concerned if any of you were awake at that time to take that trade. But what I want to see is that break, and then you can get that retest for resistance and then see it sell off from there. Keeping in mind, Chad, as long as also your Asia highs and lows, this was a test. So also at this point, the grabber actually is not even valid. Where this time it would be Asia lows, Asia highs, sweep of the highs, rejection, and now if you can get that, as I say, break or retest or hold the support, that's where the grabber will come in. Going over to US 30, almost the same idea, but now if you guys remember, I said to you guys yesterday, US 30 was going to be bearish. And was that going to be the case that NASDAQ has to play catch up? You guys can go back to the stream yesterday and have a look at that. Yesterday we had that, and the big idea for us was with that gap. Now, the one thing that makes it a little bit tricky for me is that with US 30, as much as we had a big sell-off day, we did pull back again, holding that weekly pivot, which we spoke about was actually the target for yesterday. We did take out the previous daily low, so we want to take note of that. When we get to the 4 hour over here, again, this is where I'm not going to say it can't happen. It's still very, very nice, but it is still very early. So that's the thing what makes it quite aggressive, and you kind of get to a point of jumping the gun. But again, same idea. You had the monthly R1 coming into play, no monthly pivot, but the weekly is coming in. Massive bearish candle, big bullish engulfing to retest. And again, if this breaks underneath you,
sorry, Kigo. Lyndon, thank you so much, my brother, for that dono.
Hey, there we go. Shot, my brother. If this starts to hold again, what you want to see is again that move further down. So as you start to drop down, you guys are going to see the same idea, but just a little bit the other way around. So kind of, as I said, leading NAS at that point, where now it could be a little bit of a fake out. So kind of the opposite, where we want to see NAS has gone bullish and we want to see that pullback. USD has gone bearish. You can see the nice equal lows are created, break, finally sweeping Asia lows. Almost now is where you want to see that perfect grabber play coming. So you want to see this pullback, get you that Asia high retest, hit that EQ, and there if you can get some rejection, that's where you want to sell for that big move even lower down. So we'll just monitor that. Then lastly from my side, Chad, gold. Gold is an absolute rocket ship. We keep pushing up and then a little bit of a pullback, pushing up, a little bit of a pullback, but we are very, very close to that 4,000 level. I think what we can do here so long is let's actually just mark that out. coordinates, just so we know exactly when we're going to hit that. But that obviously is our key area, so we just want to take note of that level. But the big thing we want to also talk about is that we have to always have pullbacks. So Chaz, it's part of it. It's healthy for the markets. You can always see this every time. If you went very, very bullish, you still a massive bearish candle, and then this thing just continued. Every single time you're going to have pullbacks. It's part of how market structure is formed. So two things are going to happen now. We are seeing a very, very strong bearish candle come in. Now, that doesn't mean right off the rip I'm going to say, okay, I'm going to take buys. I could get a potential sell.
Keeks. Let's open up these markets. Chad, markets are open and in motion. Hope you guys are ready. Ding, ding, ding.
There we go.
Okay.
So very simple, Chad. Same idea. Yeah, if we can get underneath and we can hold Asia lows, I'm not going to take off the idea of a sell. Now, obviously, we have the same thing. Daily pivots, the weekly R1, and the EQ all the way underneath us. So you can see these levels here for us quite nicely. And again, the big one, the weekly pivot, surprisingly, all the way back down there, Chad. So is that going to come into play? Again, we're going to have to wait and see. But end of the day, even if you are taking a potential sell here and we're saying, but a little bit of high risk, like let's say you're taking that on that break of Asia low, you're still running, let's say, even a 70 above those highs. Literally, if that goes down there, Chad, even though there you push in a 1, 2, 3, let's keep in mind that 1, 2, 3 is still nearly a $20 move. So you can still get, even if it's a short-term pullback before going bullish again, it is still quite a decent move. So we're just going to watch that and monitor it if we can get short-term pullbacks. Otherwise, if this just rejects, that's going to be our fake out of the day, and that's the perfect time for us to basically buy at the low of the day. But Chad, that is everything from my side.
Kigalezi, thank you so much, my brother. Okay, chat. Let's see what is gonna. I wonder if I add to collection. Oh, so I can do a new playlist. Stream playlist. Yo. Alright, chat. There's your 200 EMA. Let's see what happens with this retest. Will we get the shorts or will we actually get the longs? Find out in the next episode. Okay, chat, and please make sure to hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't done so. It really supports the channel and the growth of the channel. We are here with you guys every single day, Monday to Friday, London and NYSE. So please support us as we support you.
Keys, what do you use for your EQ confirmation? 5 bars confirmation or 10 bars confirmation? I'm confused what you mean by 5 bars confirmation or 10 bars confirmation, brother. It's more just the bodily closure. So after it's had the test, bodily closure. Viking, have you watched the US study video, my brother? I obviously dive quite a bit into it there.
Alrighty, gold, ladies and gents. Chris, where did you watch that program? Jin, I watched it on YouTube. Let me actually. Oh, okay, wait. I'm gonna get it now. I'm gonna drop it in the chat. Keys, I'm just gonna WhatsApp it to you quickly. Wait, I can actually drop it in the chat here from my phone. I haven't finished it yet. I'm only about an hour in. It's an hour 33. Actually, want to get the guy's book. Okay, let's go. Yeah. Let me drop it in the chat for you guys, for those that want to go and watch it. There we go, guys. Weirdly enough, this guy was agnostic, also engineer. Where is it?
Trade delicious. I'm gonna take a guess that you long on gold, brother. I just have this feeling.
I'm like Naz right now. I'm liking gold, Chad. We are at a spot where we can really get a very good trade here this morning. This thing can flip back bullish, or because there's your daily flip. I just want to see a retest of that area. You can see it from yesterday: rejection, broke through, rejection, held above, held there. This is now the first break, so I just want to see what we do there. Hey, Chad. Brian is back, ladies and gents.
He's back.
He's back, the man.
Brian, we were worried about you, bro.
Now, what I told you, I had the one-on-one. I had the one-on-one with Brian this morning. I told him to go look himself in the mirror. Say, I am the best. Because I was mentored by the best. Now you can see he's in good spirits already. Gold is ready to melt. I would say gold is ready to melt if we come up and we reject that area. Otherwise, I'm going to tell you that if gold snaps this little downtrend structure here, it is not yet ready to melt. Then these eyes are going to get absolutely destroyed. So just be careful. Just be voorzichtig. Dollar Roro. Kings, this could be a beautiful trade. It's king from now on, Chris. Hey. No, I'll still add him. Must get used to that. Sheesh. Keegs, we still have like 3 spots left on the soundboard. Is there anything specific?
I think on it, bro.
Bro said this morning I was looking for like the hand clap sound.
Yeah.
Bro, is this not the sounds that's available there? And I'm like, bro,
You're gonna get cancelled, bro.
No, but then through all of this is what I'm getting here. And I'm like, okay, damn, let me try something different. I'm like, hand clap. And then you get, and I'm like, geez. And then I tried applause. And then I got,
bro, that is crazy.
I was like, what is going on here? Maybe I add this one for when we go for TP kicks.
Yeah.
Bruh. Okay, sorry. Chat, if you can get the likes up to 225, we will be doing a giveaway here today. So it's in your hands. I'm giving you guys the power. The power of the giveaway. It's firmly placed in your hands. Yeah, Brian, it was a lot to take in early this morning. Sounded like Brian on his little Euro trip last week. Chad, I'm not short yet. I promise you. And the reason I'm not short yet is that all good and well, we broke below that 200, broke below that zone. We haven't retested the backside of it, so we could be on the sell side of the curve yet today, but I'm happy to miss this. I want to see that retest because all of this can be snapped back, and as soon as we flip back bullish on the day, we can drive. And German 30, as I mentioned, not looking for sells. Even if this thing sells 1,000 points today, I'm literally waiting for price to first and foremost get above this 200 EMA, and then I want to get long once we flip bullish on the day. So you can sell it if you want, but I'm not selling it.
You in, bro?
Oh, are you in?
Nah, bro. Remember, we aren't in this trade. There's no trade yet, Chad.
Are you in?
What the heck?
Yes, you're sneaky, bro. I need to monitor this guy. Chad, I need to monitor this guy. Look at this auto playing. I'm not going to do that. Let's just get something on. We're going to go back to the best of 2025.
What's that?
NCS.
Oh, we're back to NCS. I thought you were done.
No, but I have to physically click every song on Pixabay. Sure, NCS. Chad, is there any other sites that you wanna? Told you it was gonna melt, my guy. Shot, my brother. You did tell us. You did tell us. And for that, Chad, can you just put your hands together for diamonds here that told us gold is gonna melt? Well done, my brother. May the volume be with you. I'm a female trader. Hey, sorry. Sorry, she is a female. Can we put our hands together for I'm a female trader, but it's okay. No, that's stunning. Yeah, we're not in. We might get in the shorts a little bit later, but for now we are just watching it melt. And if you are in profits, that is all that counts. If you are demolishing these markets, that is what we are here to do. We are here every day, all of us, all the sarcasm every time. No, man, diamonds, come on, You know we love all Chads. Chads of all gender. Only 2 genders, by the way. Chads of all race and color. Chads of all religion.
No, Chad, I'm sorry. I'll be that person. If you come here with some other crap, I'm gonna slap you.
Hi, Kiki. So now 50 pips is a melt. Brian, in our parts of the world, 50 pips is almost like 10 pips for us. I'm here for it. Okay, you're a good sport. I love it. Alrighty, German 30. Are you gonna give it to us today? Oh, Chad, we're gonna have to see this dollar move correct in order to get that gold pullback. So I think once we start breaking into some of these ranges, that's when you're gonna see gold correct. We have to wait for that. Istanbul is in the house. Hey, Nazam. Are you making money or is it a long story? Chris, will you ever go into ministry? Jeremy, weirdly enough, when I was younger, I always told my mom I wanted to become a pastor, but I cannot become a pastor because she swears too much. And my mom was always like, "Moenie kak praat nie." Ek sê, "Kyk maar, hoe kan ek mense gaan huis besoek as my ma se vloek?" I don't know why, that was my concern. My mom told me the other day I was always concerned that she's going to swear when she's at church. So I said, okay, no, I can't become a pastor. She swears too much. So I said, if she can stop swearing, then I can become a pastor.
Golder says I'm nasty today for FMC and NFP. Viking, there's no FMC and there's no NFP, brother. So I don't know what it's setting up for. Nah, Blamena, not sensitive. People are just a bit cooked that have that mindset, bro.
Jeremy, you can never say never, but I think it's a massive responsibility to go into the ministry. I don't think people realize what a big responsibility it is, because you're taking responsibility of other people's spiritual lives to a degree. Because the Bible also said that those in leadership and those that teach and those that are on the ministry will be judged differently to those that are not. So I think it's a burden and a blessing both ways. Yeah, it's just members speaking. I believe FOMC minutes were supposed to come out tomorrow night, if I'm not mistaken, Keeks.
Yeah, I think it was tomorrow night.
Yeah.
No, Chad, just because people keep talking about NASDAQ. If you watch the breakdown, we spoke exactly that was going to be the pullback off of the daily pivot, reject Asia highs, and then go for the EQ Asia lows. So NAS playing out nicely there.
Gold. Please, am an XRP trader. Can you please take a look? Please let me take 1 minute of your time on that, please. The amount of times you said please, I cannot say no to look at XRP for you.
Has XRP even moved? Like, has it done anything?
Let's check XRP. Right, you asked very nicely, and I shall look at XRP for you. Would have been good 1-to-1, 50 pips for age low break, but if you reach those stops, yeah, sure, bro, your heart is there for it. You applied Christian values, even stood up to bigger boys in the trading industry, your heart will do good for others. Hey, Jeremy, like I said, it's a big, it's very serious, but like I said, never say never. For, I think it's a lady or a dude, a door wig. Okay, so let's quickly do a little top down for you kicks. You're just going to monitor gold for us. I don't want to miss gold. Okay, so XRP on the week, we can see that we had a very strong push to the upside. Then we went into a extended consolidation there. Then we had another nice break of structure to the upside, and now we are in a similar little bit of a consolidation. So you can almost say that this is a fractal move of what you saw here. Personally, you can see that we are currently rejecting that yearly R1. And I'm not saying that we're going to come all the way back here to the yearly pivot, but we are currently, this is second time we rejected it. So currently for me, if I was long in XRP, I would have actually got out of the trade there, all right? Because we're not getting through the yearly R1. Because if we get through the yearly R1, we're going to the yearly R2. Okay, so now, looking on the weekly time frame, now we've got a little bit more information to work with. So what I can see here on the weekly is that we've got a clear area of support down here. Okay, that is pretty clear to see. Support. Okay, but one thing that I do need to note is that you can see from these highs we are actually breaking structure to the downside, and you can see that these lows are getting lower. Even if they're getting marginally lower, there is intent for price to move to the downside. Okay, this formation where you've got highs that are getting lower and lower is clearly showing to me that the bulls are getting exhausted every time we bounce off this level. So I would actually expect a breakout one of these days, maybe even this week, maybe next week. I would expect a breakdown to that level there. Okay, but currently on the weekly we're bullish on the week with the idea that we can potentially go for that wick fill, but we've got this minor range there. So I'm going to say if you reject that area, we can come down to fill this area. Now going down to a daily time frame, what can we see on the daily? There you can see that weekly time frame we highlighted. Basically 5 days price tried to trade above it, failed to do so. And now we've got a bullish candle closure yesterday. So I'm going to say if today's daily candle starts breaking that previous daily low and starts to hold below it, then we can get a nice break to the downside. Or if you want to have a safe idea of where price is going to go, wait for the daily to potentially close like this, and then that becomes a confirmed break of structure to the downside, and then you can trade it back into the range. And then on the lower time frames, we are currently trading below that 200 EMA, so this is signaling short-term bearishness. You can't really use the Asia range on crypto. I'm not sure if you can. It seems you can. No. But yeah, while it's below that 200 EMA, I would look for shorts. All right. I hope that helps. Jeremy, sorry man, before I forget, I haven't listened to your voice note as of yet. I just keep it unread, otherwise I forget to go through my messages. I'm actually taking time today to go through everything. But that is the analysis. 130 pips. Smacked on gold. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Stunning trade there. This is exactly what we want. A strong move below Asia lows, which can indicate that if we come back here, this area can hold as resistance and we can retarget these lows. Right. I always use silver as an indication for gold. Silver have a massive sell-off at the moment. Yeah, you can. Just check now. NFP is tentative again, but FMC says yeah, and as Chad, as mentioned, there's your 200 EMA. There's your little fake out above Asia range. There was your pullback into that zone. Very likely we'll go for Asia lows. US 30, nothing for me. Like I mentioned. German 30, nothing for you. Not looking for the sells. What did Asia do overnight? Hang Seng closing up 0.63. Thank you so much on the XRP. I really appreciate it. That helps me a lot. It's a pleasure, man. It is just a pleasure. Glad we could have been of some assistance here. Dwayne, it could. It could definitely. It could. $225 likes, chat, and we are doing a giveaway. I hope you guys are ready for that. Keegs, we look a little bit more tanned here this morning.
I'll take it,
A little bit more color. I don't know what you guys changed here.
I will take it.
Chad, do you guys like the more natural color here? We look like we're on some island, just being in the sun in between streams. Okay, let's see. Gold. Alrighty. Here we go. Time to lock it in.
If gold reverse here, might be trade of the year. Reverses in where?
I think it means reversing down. Iron 2K gave a nice sell on the 15 minutes. Chad, sorry I'm late. No, don't be sorry. Glad you are here. Yes, give me 1 second plan gold. I'll take it. A retest would be sexy. Yeah, bo. Plan your trade. Trade your plan. Pay yourself. Enjoy yourself.
Let's see.
225, and we are giving away Keegan's Audi Q5. What? Keegan said he's on to better things. Said he only makes mistakes once. He will be back with BMW soon, Chad.
So if you're selling gold, will you be targeting the EQ or pivots?
Average daily range. Where is the pivot though? Let me actually check.
Just the lower daily pivots at like 39, 38 basically.
Oh yeah, that could be your first target, correct?
EQ is all the way down 39, 27.
Walter, good to have you here, my brother. Don't forget to focus on the job as well.
Yeah, Envy. Yeah, I didn't have the best sleep last night, but hey, we doing good.
Audio is Chalopi wants to match in 911s. Right. Alrighty, Chad, for the guys that just joined, we are currently waiting for a pullback on gold to see what's going to happen there. And German 30, we are waiting for German 30 to bust through that daily flip to go long. And other than that, there is nothing here for us than to wait and chat. Building chats and building patience. I'm waiting for pivot tap, then buys if I get confirmation. So Brian is waiting for the pivot to be clapped.
You're gonna find a way to use that, Sean.
Okay, I'm done with it. Let me actually, I must delete this app. The soundboard app. I thought Brian said he was waiting for the pivot clap, but he said tap. Hi, Chad.
Bro, you know what's scary? Every day I look at the number, it's going down, eh? Every day.
What number?
Every day it goes down.
Oh, that's available.
Yeah.
Yeah, but remember the guys book it. They don't necessarily take it, so they just lock it in, and then it's subject to finance.
How did you? No, but you can't lock it in for that long, can you?
No, you can. So you can lock it in now. You can lock one in there now, and you don't have to take it. That's why I cancel my M3 order as well. You lock it in, so it goes off the system, and then they give you like however long.
Because there's the perfect one came up last night. It wasn't there, but now it is there.
No, lock it in. Just do you have a profile yet? Create a profile, lock it in, send it to Rian, and then he can contact you. Chris, you cock boring. Hey, Brian. We gotta find a way to entertain ourselves while we wait for price. I don't know why a lot of people on the outside think trading is so exciting.
Someone lied to them, bro.
Chad, this is trading. This is literally us waiting now. And this is where a lot of people fail. Because they can't wait.
Bro, literally the one I saw last night that I wanted, it's gone.
What color?
It was fully blacked out. So it was that with that interior, but the black wheel.
Is there not another one?
No, it literally there wasn't one, and then last night there was.
But ask Rian.
But
Rian,
this is
Rian
otherwise
can
that's
check.
my backup plan.
Ask Rian. Caleb, I don't know why you entered, so I cannot know whether it's a good idea. So whenever you enter a trade, you should already think about your trade management, where you're going to go break even, where you're going to target price. So asking somebody that's got no emotional or financial interest in a trade is the wrong thing to do. Trading is boring, definitely.
I have to keep that Q5 a little longer there, young man. I'm not getting rid of it, Brian. The Q5 is just becoming the daily.
All right, here we go. Here we go, boys. Time to lock it in. Time to lock in.
Yo, if I have to put a deposit down, I mean that's fine.
Ask Rihanna Kigo. Yo, Rihanna will source something for you, my brother. But like I told you, if you're not committed, you can't tell that guy. If you no.
Chad, I'll never forget the one day. I remember we were still, I don't know if we were, if we were in the old office.
At one stage, you just buy it to get him off your back.
Chris was sitting here, Chad. Like, I promise you, like, he hadn't gone or done anything. We hadn't gone and looked or anything. And Chris is sitting here, and the next minute, he has an OTP.
Just, dude. You just say, yo, Rihanna, I'm looking at this. It's like, boom, locked in, secured, OTP.
It's like, all right, I guess I'm taking it.
I'm like, Rihanna, what is this, my brother? No, Rihanna will lock you in, my dude.
It's just a holding deposit keys. The salesman is like that because otherwise another salesman sells that coin. No, I do get that. I know obviously people do that. I mean, before the queue, I was looking at obviously a Raptor, and the guys came to me and they said the same thing because there's like such a shortage of them actually buying them new off the floor. The guy said to me, "It's like you literally just, even if it's like a 20k deposit, just put that down." And they'll hold the car for up to, I think it was like up to 6 months or something. They'll hold the car for you. Chris, M3 sedan starting price here in is 149 euro, brand new.
A month?
149,000.
Damn.
What?
That's 3 million.
Yeah, that's more expensive than yeah.
Yeah, that's weird.
I like the new X2M. They look nice. I just feel sick. They like a little bit small, but they look cool. Come on, Cribbo, pull the trigger.
No, bro. I already pulled triggers on the X3. I already pulled triggers. I pulled enough triggers this year.
You got that dirty there, bro.
I already pulled triggers. This also looks sick though.
That's the one I'm saying. If I don't do the black, then that's
I even like this though.
I like that, but I don't like the interior. I like the two-tone.
Is this like a gloss? Or
that's the same one they have there at BMWP. It's the same one. See, I like the two-tone.
Oh, yeah.
But otherwise, that color is nice.
It's a gloss, eh? It's not the matte.
There's two. So you get that color in gloss, or you get it in matte. But the matte's a extra.
Yeah, no, I wouldn't take that matte.
Kigo M2 CS Coupe is 170k. Okay, but I mean, to be fair, that's a CS though. We don't even have a CS here in South Africa yet. Be aggressive. Be aggressive.
I should actually be doing something more like this, geeks. This is what I should actually be.
I still told you, if anything, bro, you should have gone, if anything, the X3 M50. That's honestly such a nice daily.
I love this car. The only thing I don't like is that it still has the old steering wheel.
I won't lie to you. I don't like it. It looks like I'm driving a minibus.
I love it, bro. Yes, dude, I love it.
I think it's a bit big.
I'm at that stage of my life with this. I love this, bro. But you check that kills it for me. The old steering wheel. Paying 2.6 million rand for SUV, and you still have the old. How can they not put the new steering wheel in it?
Raven, the G80s, my brother. G80s. Yeah, I think it's weird, bro. They almost take their time. Have you noticed that? Like, they start at the, let's call it the lower series, and they ramp them up, and then they slowly move up the...
Chad, here's my thing. This is now the new X7, the facelifted one. And it still has the old steering wheel. And
No,
it still
you just
has
want the flat bottom, man.
yeah, the same, or like the X3 has got as well. Just that.
Oh,
new,
yo, that's like the old steering wheel.
yeah,
It's
bro,
not even the
that's-
new one.
That
I thought you were
is-
just going on about the flat bottom.
No,
that's
no.
the old steering wheel. Hectic. But I don't want to say
Even the
I don't want to say the name. But
X6.
thingy, we know whose wife is it? Do they have the X7 or the X5? X7.
X7.
Okay, it does actually look nice. That one, it's fully blacked out. That thing's like a tank on the roads. And it's also the M50.
Yeah, I think also diesel. Bro, even the new X5M. Let's see what the. We missed our trade here.
No, not yet. It didn't give us entry, so if it does go, it goes. But it gave us a retest of Asia low.
But it didn't
Yeah.
test ours though, no.
So now we're just waiting. I will cry a little bit because that's like a few pips we
It
missed
was
our
pipettes.
we missed our entry by.
Bro, this is now the new X5M. Brand new. Old.
Yeah, they still have to get to it. They've only just done the X3, so.
Yo.
But it's the same thing, bro. With like the M5. Like, I don't know. I'm not a fan of it that much, eh? Like, even if it can have all the power, and I'm just not a fan of it. I'm not a fan of these like boats. New X5 coming 2026. As in like an interior or
No, it's
full
complete.
facelift?
No, it's a full facelift.
Okay.
This was the facelift of the.
X3. But I will say, if they do something similar to the X5 like they did to the X3, I think that thing's gonna look mean. To have that size and that presence on it. Yeah, Dane, you know, the only problem for me, bro, is I do still love the R8s, but the price they go for brand new, I can't justify them anymore.
I'm gonna be very honest. That X3 is it's a stunning car, Chad. It is the drive quality, the build, the seats.
I mean, even yesterday, when I was coming back from physio, I drove past Alsaby. I mean, especially that front on shot, bro.
Yeah, it looks sick.
Those grills are actually, it's so nice.
And what makes it also, there is a hybrid engine, a small hybrid, because I saw when
There is. I still showed you when we were there. There's one that has the charging ports on it.
No. So her car has got a small hybrid. So if you plant it, then you'll check at your rev counter. It shows electric, so it gives like a little electric boost. So it's got an additional battery that I think gives like 5 kilowatt. Not big, but it's got like a little. So when you floor it, there's a thing that comes up electric power that it gives you a little bit more.
That's hectic.
But the seats, do you know this thing has got like 2 levels in your seat where it gives you lumbar support? It's like this, yeah? That you can move up and down and forwards and backwards.
Oh, hectic. I
Yeah.
don't know that. But I must say, I still remember we went to go do those test drives. They were nice. They were very, very nice. Curious and I are built for comfort, not speed. Jeremy Holway. Jeremy, aren't you driving an Audi now?
Jeremy's
I'm
been
going to say,
driving.
Jeremy,
Audi.
aren't you an Audi guy as well?
Jeremy has been an Audi guy for very long. And he had a Porsche Cayenne as well.
That's why I asked if what you got your wife was EV, Chris. Non-married man, hashtag enjoy yourself. Power.
Yeah, Brian, I don't know. Like I said with Rian, you just say like, oh, I think...
you just say it's a nice car. You're gonna be in a deal there very quick.
Brian, I'm not going to lie to you. We went for the M3 test drive, me and Keegs. And I said, Rian, I don't really want to get an M3 now with the new M3 coming out in next year, start of 2027. I said, but I do like the X3. And I think it was 5 minutes later, there was OTPs being signed. He's like, oh no, we can get this thing ready for you tomorrow. Let's just quickly get those annual statements ready. Literally, you can ask Keys. When I got to the office, he's already phoning. He's like, I'm like, bro, I need to phone my accountant. You need to give me a minute or two. Yeah,
Chad, that was still the funniest thing. We literally went for the test drive of the M3, and on the way back, we closing a deal on an X3 while we in the M3. Like, how did that happen, bro?
Oh, yeah. That man knows how to sell. He knows how to sell.
Then we still get back there. No, but boys, check it. There's two. Keegs will get you one as well. Get you out of the Audi. We get you in the X3.
You almost said you in an X3 as well.
I nearly was in the X3.
I still told Keegs he can take the X3. No, BMW Dane. No, Audis don't sell. Literally, they don't sell.
That man's a legend, he is. Yeah.
Keegs was one of the few sales they had this year.
It's quite funny though, like I won't even lie, Chad. So, and I don't understand the sense of it. So because the Audi PE is actually a very nice building, it's one of the actually biggest dealerships. They send a lot of their RS cars here. But to give you guys a little insight, not one of the RS vehicles that were sold in PE reside in PE.
Yeah,
they were all sold to George, to Cape Town, wherever, but they weren't sold in PE.
Alrighty. Looked like we got induced into some range.
Bro, but it's interesting though, eh? Like the variance. Like if you think of how the times changed, like growing up, everyone wanted RS, like RS3s and stuff.
Yeah.
Now everyone's just M cars.
Yeah.
And it's almost weird, like AMG, bro. Like let's think of it like what, 5 years ago.
I love
everyone
AMG.
was like A45 AMGs and C63s. Now no one even talks about them, bro. Like Mercedes and Audi, those are just like gone. It's just M cars.
I think it's the styling. Merc lost it with the styling. They went very, very undertoned. Like you wouldn't even know this is a fully fledged AMG car with, say, a C series with the AMG line or the AMG.
You know the one AMG though, and I always said I've been obsessed with that car when it came out, and I will buy one. Is GT. The AMG GT.
Yeah.
Bro, that thing is like, that is badass. That thing just looks like a mafia vehicle, bro.
So that's where I think Merc lost it, is their styling became very undertoned, and you would have a fully fledged AMG car and it would look like you wouldn't, like an M car has got presence on the road. Like you've seen it when an M car comes toward you, like how wide it is.
Yo, we had this conversation that day we were driving, because people always said those like, bro, but like For example, a M340 and an M3. Like, why you spend so much money for a difference? And we still said there's a difference. If you drive in, Chad, and you just look in your rear view mirrors, you see an M car. That thing has got presence on the road. How wide it is. Ah, that aggressive stance. I'll give it to the M cars.
What are we looking for on gold? So currently, we ideally wanted a test on that 200 EMA, which we didn't get. But this could be inducement. Okay, so this could have.
We're leading up to this inducement.
I don't know, but this was a little bit of seduction there. So what it can do now is actually give us the pop. And those early sellers get stopped out at break even, and then we get the real sell.
I'm with you.
You check that. So it's seducement into inducement into take profit.
They got caught with just a tip there.
Yeah, just a tip. There you have it.
There we go. We're going to say Ed's in that one. And then we're going to get it when he gets the break even.
That, exactly. So Ed is in here. And he went break even. So, and he was targeting these lows. So what's going to happen now is we're going to take his break even. And then we're going to get the actual move to here. We're going to get the chunky one. Keys, I'm just going to P for volume.
I like that.
Seduced with the tip.
Ed, you're not denying that you're not in that.
Ed Iguana. Ed. Come on, Ed. Are you break even yet?
Ed, don't lie to us.
Ed, are you break even, my brother?
Play the clappy subway. Keys, have you looked at the A45 SAMG? Dane, I won't lie to you. There was a point I actually was considering the CLA 45. I actually really like those for some reason. Where's Pastor Bonang today? He's feeling a little bit under the weather, so he's just resting today. I can neither confirm nor deny my current involvement in gold. Ed. Let's just say then, bro. We hope you're not break even. Mind you, that clapping sound is Ed after painting putting on a Friday night. Keys, what do you think of the C63 AMG, the old one, the E93 M3 or E63 AMG, that 2014 old one? I love them, bro. Love them. That engine, bro. For me at that time, one of the best sounding cars. They're very, very nice. They messed up the whole thing when they went to when they changed the motor now. Apparently they're going back, but I'm not sure if that was confirmed. Time is not real. 2-minute noodles takes 10 minutes when you are annoyed or in a hurry. But hello, it's me. Let's see. Keys, you're looking for M2 or M3. Guys are gonna have to wait and see whenever I pull the trigger. Keys, where to for the rugby team? Where to for the rugby team? What do you mean, my brother? I think I'm going on Thursday. Hey, 340 viewers. Surely we can get to 225 likes. Yeah, guys, 225 likes, remember, and we're doing a giveaway. Power is in your hands. CLA 45S format is nice. The E63 is a beast. Chan, I will give it. Okay, one thing, let's be real. As much as we hated on the guys for dropping the ball, I still will say, as much as the BMW is like in their element right now, Audi is falling off. But as much as AMG might not be there, they still are great cars. But I always, and Chris will be a witness to that, I've said it the whole time, Mercedes does still have, hands down, the best interior. No one touches them. I mean, if you look at it, actually all of the new BMW interiors were copied from Mercedes. They did do it first. But yeah, Mercedes interior, hands down, you can't touch them. We at least will give them their flowers there. Sure, Ed looking to spice things up. What's next for them? Yeah, but I mean, what rugby team are you talking about, my brother? You're asking me where to, what's next for them? Well, what rugby team are we talking about?
225 likes for the giveaway, chat. Don't forget to smash that like button. Subscribe if you haven't done so. We will greatly appreciate it as you support the channel.
SA team. Well, I mean, they're already at the top of everything now. I won't lie. Personally, I do see them going unbeaten now for end of year tour. I mean, France for me. I feel France is actually going to be the harder game. I feel Ireland's fallen off now. We always saw about they had their peak. They weren't going to hold it there for long. So I feel Ireland's actually fallen off. I feel France is probably going to be the most difficult game of the end of year tour. Ireland, I think, will be okay. Like, it will be a good game, but I'm not that worried about them. And then obviously the rest of the games are a lot more comfortable, let's call it. But now I think, yeah, definitely end of year they'll go unbeaten. Mercedes levels, bro. Mercedes interior has to be slightly cheaper build quality compared to Audi and BMW. Again, Dane, I don't really agree with that. Maybe in some points, especially maybe your entry level cars, but when you start going up the line, bro, I mean, even your GLEs and things like that, and even the C classes, bro, and especially when you get to AMG, I don't know, I wouldn't say so, eh? Looking for a WRX SDI, amazing cars, my brother. I blew the most up on mine. So just be prepared. You're going to work on that car. I do not know anyone that's owned one and has not had to open up the bonnet at some point. But you will have a lot of fun with it. I don't think there's an X of BMW that comes close to the Maybach SUVs. Kigo, who didn't blow? Bro, did we really miss our trade there by like pipettes over here?
Dude.
Because we would have been TP already.
Oh, we would have been out.
Yeah.
Anyways. Can't compromise on the entry criteria.
Guys, stick to it. Chad, how close are you guys to the
Ads working overtime?
Let's see, 188. Chad, yo, 300 of you guys, and you won't just get it to 225. That's always amazing to me.
Laz, what's up, my brother?
Lazarus.
Chad, we just welcome Laz into the chat.
Well, I really thought you were going to do the clapping hands one, bro.
For Lazo. Quick one, brother. You enter Mia Keeks, mostly 5 minutes.
The 1 minute works, but I think because the 1 minute you're going to get a lot more, let's call it entries.
Noise, yeah.
And sometimes that's where you can enter too early and maybe get a stop, and then later it literally plays out.
But we cup them on the 5.
As you say, it just means like this. Sometimes it runs without us.
Sheesh.
Let's see over here.
Oh, but it can. Yeah. Yo, gold did a number on us, yeah.
Not playing ball yet today, bro.
But now we've got this one here, Kiki.
Yeah.
Would you take this one? Yeah.
Right, really now.
Okay, let me post my. Okay. Quickly make my post.
I need to see his man. Bro, has yours also been doing this on Instagram? Every time you save a draft, it doesn't save.
Same here. It's gone.
It's
You have to start over again.
right.
You have to start over again. Alrighty, let us post. Let us post. Is this going to be a no trade morning? It very much looks like it.
Yeah.
Have you posted so I can engage? Here we go. There we go. Let me engage.
Chris and Keys looks like they in a trade just by the way they're looking at it. Nah, my brother,
we're
we're posting
our-
content.
Posting our daily piece.
Nah,
We are on that social media grind.
Chad, I promise you, people think it's just like, let me post this, let me do like. That's what it started off like, and now everything's like a strict business almost.
Do you think the guys are We should actually do reels just for a week and see if the other guys stop doing carousels.
I put money out there, well, bro, because this whole industry, everyone acts like, hey, they're the money, and then they just copy every little thing you do. They're so bloody idiots.
They're gonna be like, no, carousels are dead. Let's start posting reels again, and then we go back to carousels. Shit, carousels are back.
These oaks, bro.
Let me see what is happening in the chat. Chris and Keeks. No, we're not in a trade, my brother. I would love to be in a trade.
Unfortunately, we're not, though.
Chris, what is happening on GJ? I don't actually want to even know what's happening on GJ. GJ is doing GJ things. I think if you really want to trade GJ, you should be trading this on the 4 hour. Anything lower than the 4 hour, you're wasting time. Trade this bad boy on the 4 hour. When are we having a Q&A in a park? Hey.
Q&A in the park?
I see what he did there. Hi. These yens ain't loyal, yeah, bro. Oh, Kigo. No trade morning here, my brother.
Well, it looks like we're not going to get it, bro. The Perpetual just escaped us.
We started, technically we're only an hour in. Got another hour of office time here.
Bro, don't you just love it when a guy messages you? Like, you messaged me and then come with, why must I learn trading from you?
Aye? So you mustn't. Don't learn trading from me.
I just ignore you, like.
Tight.
And especially when guys message me and they're just like, yo. Hey. Like, alright. Have a good day.
What makes Project G different to any other? I'm like, no, nothing. Don't join.
Sure.
Don't join. Chad, how many of you took a trade?
How many of you are in that trade already, Chad? We know you guys
Chad,
are already.
be honest with me. I know some of you can't. You're addicts. You can't.
That retest of an Asia lows, you guys are like, I'm in. It's just the retest, guys.
Talk to me, Chad. How many of you are in? Took the sell, blown high. 100%. Some of you can't control yourselves.
Did someone say they took the sell and they blown?
Yeah, I don't know how they blew. They maybe took the sell and the lows, yeah. Chad, a lot of you still need to go through a lot of pain before you are going to stop over trading and just taking willy-nilly trades. You're still going to have to feel a lot more pain. If your setup isn't met, there's no trade.
This was part of it.
Already pumped 3 trades. Damn.
Okay, that person's machine gunning a little bit.
If I had to pump a trade now, I would short NAS.
Oh.
No, I'm not going to short it.
Is that a recovery signal there, bro?
No. If you said, Chris, you have to take a trade now.
I see you.
I would pump a little nasty short. I think this is what streamers do these days. It's like, I would have taken this, but I'm not taking it. And then if it works out, it's like, there, easy. That's trading. Boomba. Boom shakalaka.
Yeah, you just call the trades, but you don't take anything. And when the trades that played out, you just be like...
I said I would short here, but I'm not shorting it. But I want to take credit for the trade if it plays out.
Bro, why are these people taking me so long here?
For the OTP.
Nah,
For the 17.
Yeah, bro. They keep sending me like, there's your iCare. Like, yes, welcome to your new iPhone. But where the hell is it saying the bloody thing? I've got a 500 Rand gift card. I don't know what you can buy in the Apple Store for 500 Rand, but it's good to know you got something back. You got the iPhone 17 keys. I ordered it, the 17 Pro Max. But we just waiting for it.
Just to try demo in full HD.
We are just waiting. Keys, you can get a cable.
I don't even think you can get a cable, bro.
You definitely can't get earphones, my brother. I mean, AirPods are like, I think the entry level AirPods are like 2.7. Pro Max.
J Pro Max, man, bro.
Now there's wide ones. Do they even still sell the wide ones?
Wide ones, what?
Earphones. Do they even? Because the thing is, any phone.
How do you mean wide ones?
The old wide ones they used to have.
Oh no.
But that's what I'm saying. Do they sell it? Because I mean, even if you go to like, what was it, the iPhone 12, 11, when they already discontinued the
Pro Max. Wash me, bro.
You can get an Apple sticker.
Mix. What's that guy on Instagram? Yeah, I love his stuff. He's a guy that's like when the color comes out of you.
Hey,
He's like, yo, bro, don't worry. No, I'm just gonna put it on Google Maps. Wash me, bro, Maps. What's that guy?
The other one where you sit there, he's like, no, everything's perfect over here. Can you maybe just bring me the tomato sauce?
Chad,
tomato?
But he adds like these little ad libs of like, yo, the tomato, wash me, bro. Liam Stoffel.
Yeah, it's Liam.
Damn, bro. I've had a good laugh there. Yeah, no, don't worry about the...
Nah, the boys, I'll give it to the guys. Like, they get creative with some of the content they do.
Bro, what What genre do you feel like watching?
I'm thinking action.
Well, then there's Dragon Ball Z, there's Ben 10, The Ultimate Spider-Man.
Yes, let's watch the ultimate. Kyk ons dan vir Spider-Man of Spider-Bro. Sommer met die kok sinister as sy wil.
It's those ad-libs that kill me, bro.
Shots a lot for picking me up.
No worries, bro. You know I got you.
Do you need me to direct you from here?
No, it's fine. I've already put it into Google Maps.
Ah, Chad. Google Maps. Alrighty. Keys, can I claim this trade yet or not?
You called it, bro.
I called it, eh?
You don't have to be in it, bro. You just have to call it.
Okay, wait. Let's see if it gets through this pivot too.
They do still sell the keys. They use the charging port for the AUX. Oh, hectic. Keegs, did you see MFF post? Yo, do they still post?
Yeah, they're coming back.
Don't come with that cock.
I swear to you.
Bro, I know they won the court case.
No, they're back. They said big announcement coming soon.
Where was that?
On the official Twitter account.
Yeah, I don't use Twitter.
I saw it yesterday on the tweets.
Because when they still won the court case, they still said it's up to them. They can give everyone their accounts back. They can do the payouts. They can do everything. Or they can just close their doors. And they just closed their doors. Now they want to come back. Aye, they owe me my live account and my payouts. If they actually give me my account back, I will be very...
It's been a long time. A lot has happened. We will tell our stories soon. Be patient. We missed you. Update coming soon.
Bro, no ways. If they come back, Chad, I'll trade with them, hands down. They were actually very, very good to trade with. TFT is officially dead, so next one.
Is it officially
Is it
down?
officially dead again?
Is it dead again?
Round 2, and they were knocked out.
How did you see it's dead? Tell me.
I want to go see. They must have been
that they're now officially TFT.
Let's go back, yeah. MFF.
Pro Mix. Wash me, bro. The Funder Trade is seeking strategic investors with 500 plus followers, 155 million payout and Pride Tech now launch.
Update coming soon. They really are.
Huh?
Damn.
How do you mean? Say again?
Nah, I'm only looking at it now, bro. 17 hours ago. That's crazy.
Yo, that's wild, asking for investment.
You know, Cribbo. Like, I promise you, bro, I'm gonna make millions and get my M in those things. But just before I do that, bro, do you spot me like 500 bucks just so I can get some bread for lunch, bro?
Oh, I got you.
Otherwise, Chad, I mean, will one of you guys sponsor me there? I'm gonna teach you guys how to make money, but just lend me some money first.
Hi, Keegs.
Hi, these mentors, bro. Asking their students for money. Yeah. I still have a TFT funded account and waiting on withdrawal. Plus, I've made... Evan, I have 2 live accounts with them, which I was promised to get back. I still never got those accounts back. After everyone got it back. Then I was promised I was going to get refunded. I never got refunded. So... Bro, that's why, guys, I don't waste my time with these other stupid prop firms.
Bro, so check here. I can now translate my reel into Spanish. So it can reach more. Chad, check this. Chad, wait, so my new real.
Si sientes que estás luchando ahora mismo, eso no es un fracaso. Es una señal de que estás en el camino correcto. El crecimiento no ocurre en la comodidad. Sucede cuando estás frustrado, cansado y te preguntas si siquiera vale la pena. Ahí es
Brother,
cuando
even
te estás
edit your
estirando.
mouth.
No confundas la lucha como una razón para rendirte. Es la prueba de que estás exactamente donde necesitas.
Lol, who did that asking the students? Alverno, I'm not going to name names there. I'm not giving them that airtime. But as I say, the guys that want to trust these people and want to trade with them, I think just do a little bit of research into people before you just trust them like that.
Okay, wait, Keek, serious note now. Serious note.
Yeah.
Are we going to consider that one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Keys, how'd you find the next journey go? As I said, guys, so long ago already, when I blew up that first one, which was on my own mistake with the rules. I wanted to do another one with them, but I just honestly haven't yet. So I wouldn't say their conditions were the worst. They honestly weren't. Indices, their conditions could be better. Gold was quite decent. But yeah, I just haven't ever got back to trying it again. I've been too focused on just FTMO and stuff, so yeah. That's dope. AI crazy. The much cost an arm and a leg. The cost for more base things is ridiculous. Someone paid IKEA £90 just to build a cupboard for them.
Chad, we might still get gold.
Alverno, it was Chris and Keegs.
What's that?
Lyndon saying it was us that asked our students for money. Senior market bull. Everything's crazy how it just has to be. I've been buying tons of stuff and it's all stored in containers, but yeah, some things are mad, yeah. I lost a 200k funded account with MFF when they got busted. We'll never trade with them again. Thing is, my brother, I want to say they... No. Can you say they got busted when they won the court case, when things came out? Yes, they might have done things, but I think there's a lot of things prop firms do behind the doors that you guys don't see as well. But yet you'll trade with all those other guys. So for me, I traded with them. I had excellent conditions when I traded with them. I never was denied any payout from them. So when you go off that, I never had anything bad I could say about them other than the day I woke up and I'm like, oh, my account's frozen because they're going under investigation. So no, like I definitely would give them a shot again. I first want to see what they're going to say though. Would they justify and what are they going to address about the accounts they owe us?
Okay, Keeks, wait. Are we? Woo! Okay, here we go, ladies and gents. Time to lock in. It's time to lock in, ladies and gentlemen.
Let's see what we get here. What's the best settings for the SVP? I love trading with them, but losing a fund account with no resource doesn't sit well. But that's what I say, Joseph, for example, if they are coming back, they haven't addressed it yet. So as you say, maybe we do get our accounts back. I first want to see what they address with that. But again, it goes back to my same thing. People have had lots of issues with other prop firm accounts. And I don't know, Joseph, it's just the thing for me. Again, if like it's a cuck thing, I get you. 100% I agree with it. But for example, I could have sat there and cried about it all day. Otherwise, trading's a skill you grow with. I can start trading, I get another account, and I move forward. For example, the silver lining, I traded with them, and that's all I was worried about. That happened, which pushed me to take the jump and go to FTMO. And I've never had to worry about that again. So the silver lining is they introduced me to actually trade with FTMO after that. So yeah, I don't know, bro. That's just me personally. Again, that's as a personal preference. I feel if you're going to sit and cry about something, you're not going to grow as a person. Challenges are there to show us how strong we can be and how we can overcome them. So as I said, yes, I would rather wait to see what their statement is, how they're going to address the traders they had previously who were live accounts, who were funded traders. Do they just give us an account for free and we have to either pass it again? Or are they going to just give us our live accounts back? What's going to be the situation? So yeah, I'll wait to see what they say before I obviously make any other remarks on them. Chris, the next 15 closes back inside Asia lows we're buying.
Who said that?
Brian.
Hey, Briono Monono.
Thanks for your unbiased view.
Brian, if it punches through you, we are buyers, my brother. We're taking this high. We just need some trend lines here. Wait. Alrighty, Chad. There we've got the trend line break. Some trend line liquidity into some inducement. Krimunaki. Kingsbury. All right, Kigalazy. So it's time to...
Challenges are there to determine our character and to see our resilience and how we can overcome obstacles. King of the Day 2G's paraphrased it.
Alrighty, ladies and gents. Kindly note that these streams are purely for educational and entertainment purposes only. We do suggest that you consult with your financial advisor before taking any trade, as trading carries a large amount of risk that may not be suitable to all investors. As we get ready here to throw down some lots, Kiki. Let's lock it in,
Let's
Chad.
see what's gonna happen here.
Let's lock it in. Let's lock it in. We might get some positions soon.
Rick, you're probably in already the way you're speaking.
Who's this? Ricks.
What did Rick say? Brian, if we buy now, let's hold. Are we going to hit 7,000 by the end of this week?
Alrighty, ladies and gents. Are you ready, Kigalazy?
Still got 1 minute, bro. Oh, damn it, we are here.
I don't think we're going to get it though. No. Could you give me my one day next to Kigalezi? My little stand here. Oh damn, we might get it. Still 25 seconds.
Let's see.
Ladies and gentlemen, get ready. 8 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Oitza. Short skis. Short skis for the boy skis. 52. Whoa. Alrighty. There we go, ladies and gents. Oh yeah.
I'm in, bro.
Really? Show me. Hi. Kigadwaza.
Shemaza.
This man. Kigaleza. Chad, this was trend line inducement, if you don't know. So this induced the trend line traders to think this is a breakout, but it's actually a fake breakout. So everyone's gonna get long here, and then we're gonna just go.
Just don't scare us though, bro. It needs to feel safe to drop there.
Need it to just come there, and then we're out. Some trend line inducements. Can I claim this yet? Almost firstly, TP.
Let's let it get a little bit
Okay,
and
closer.
then just claim it, bro.
Alrighty. Okay, I'm gonna go break.
You just gotta go there and put on there, bro. Remember,
I took this.
we are in this trade.
Okay. And then if this hit stop, remember this was just this is just a test. This is not real. This is a simulation. This is not real life. You are currently in a simulation. We're gonna chat. We're really in this trade. Eh? I'm just letting you guys know. There she goes, ladies and gents.
Here it is.
If you want to find out how you can take similar trades like this, comment now, 2Gs. Trade the 2Gs way. If you want results,
You're practicing your marketing there, bro.
members are eating, everyone's eating. Join
Wow,
the
you're
2Gs
not
way.
eating.
Comment win, and you can join our exclusive group. 2G's winning. W on the NAS. Comment 31314 to 2Gs. When you see Chris moving the chart around and zooming in and out, he's in a trade. Ha! Hey man, gets the blood going. There's no other feeling than that. Something exciting dropping, changing the game for reals. Something the industry has never seen. Think network marketing, think trading. Network marketing and trading have a baby. That is what we created here. Never seen before. Network trading.
Network trading. We're changing the game. And the guys are like, think pyramid scheme with IBs. Never done before.
All for free. You just have to sign up with our broker link. Welcome to the world ventures of trading. Correcto.
They might as well just called it World Ventures.
World trading. I see
Yeah.
also dropping some. Really?
And every
I-
week these things are happening. I think they need to just find a way to stream consistently before they even do crazy things.
Yeah, I think
Just get one thing under lock.
I have to agree with Keeks there. I think the big thing is you don't have to change or do something completely different. Just help people to achieve results. That's all it is. Don't have to mask something into what it's not. Okay, Keeks, let's see if my theory was wrong.
What do you mean your theory?
They have one thing locked, Keeks, how to moan on social media.
That's true. That is very true.
Did you guys see Riddles? No, I haven't. It gets much, all of that drama.
Chad, it's a good thing we didn't take these gold stars.
Oh, luckily. These are just R&Ds. R&Ds and... should we have waited for that 200 test? Or shall she give it to us? How did the hourly close? Alright, hourly closed, bearish. Doof, doof. Nice little hourly zone, yeah.
P for TP.
Yeah, I think we both need to. You know what we're gonna have to do, Keegs?
Yeah.
Both of us are gonna have to pee. And we're gonna actually have to pee and let our streams cross. So I stand on the right, you stand on the left, and then we pee together and then we cross them. Have you done that?
We're like naughty in this trade.
Yeah, so the streams of pee cross.
It's the holy way trade. That is the way it just brings it. It's that power move.
It's that alpha male energy. Fusion P for TP. If it gets close to stop loss, I'm going for the fusion P.
We might need you to then, bro.
Otherwise, I'm gonna have to pee on your hand, Keegs.
I don't know about that one.
Fusion P. Oh, the fusion P. Alright, something's happening here.
I think this candle is either going to be the one that's going to bring it back for us, or this is going to hurt us.
This is either going to rip us a new one, or
it's going to save us.
will it be ripping a new one for the boys? Let's draw down. Let's draw down life, Kiki. It's not for me.
Yeah, it's not fun, eh?
Should we have waited? Coulda, woulda, shoulda.
On gold, put up a little fart there.
First pullback off the new low. Damn you, Linda. Damn you, Linda. Linda, you said the first pullback off the new low. Damn you for doing this to me. That was technically the first pullback also off the new low. Damn you, Linda. Linda.
Linda's farting us here, Chad.
But I feel almost like these trades that worked you up a little bit, tested you. When they hit TP, they feel
so good, bro.
It's like, yes.
They doubted me.
Bro, I don't even want to win the trades for the money of it. It's just not to have Flamenca come on because she's waiting, bro. She
100%.
She is waiting and she is like ready. There's already like a message type, like.
Yeah.
So, bro, it's not even about the money for me. It's just about. CAC 40 flying. Don't be CAC, be lacquer. Yeah, no, that message is ready. She is looking here and she's got a big smile on her face.
100%.
And we actually want her to win. She's at work today, okay.
She was earlier giving us shit.
Oh, did she?
Yeah.
I didn't even see her. What did she?
She was tuning me that I'm sensitive today or something. Sure. Hey, talk of the devil, Chad.
Wait, what?
Your iStore order is now with the courier and on its way to you. Right, there was some positivity out of this.
Bruv. You wanna look at this drawdown together, my brother? Let me see your drawdown. What is your drawdown? Put it on the.
No, it's not on that account.
Huh?
This is on
Why
that
not?
page too.
So that means you don't actually like it.
No, I haven't taken any trades this week on that account. I'm broke because I'm wanting to get that phase 2 done.
Keeks, you sneaky bugger.
Crossref full wash.
Hi, Keeks.
I can literally show you, I haven't taken any trades on that account.
Hi, Keegy.
I'm focused on getting this thing over the line. And right now, I'm taking shots.
This is the other side of trading.
We waited the whole day, and now...
Drawdown. Sniper entry to drawdown.
Keys, you're going to wrap that up in bubble wrap so it does not scratch. Yeah, it's already got a cover for it. Don't want to tell your teacher she was wrong because you're a DJ and trader.
Giveaway time, Kribo. Okay, we're gonna do a giveaway as soon as this trade hits TP.
It looks like there's a little bit of gleaming hope here for us, Chad.
Come on.
Oh.
I hope gold doesn't.
We're getting brutalized, JJ.
Hi.
We didn't sign up for this.
Where's the magnet, Chris?
Yeah,
Hey, Chad, what needs to happen will happen, yeah.
took the same trade. Yeah. Stranger DXY isn't negatively affected by the US shutdown. Thought it would have been worse. Thing is, like, think of it this way: there hasn't actually been news that's come out. Like when results and like the end of it happens and they're going to talk about what has been the outcome of the shutdown, that's when you're going to see it affect the markets.
1, 2. Do you think these socks actually make a difference to the sound of the mic?
I do think so.
You're right.
Yeah.
1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1,
I can hear the
2.
difference there.
Chad, what sounds better? 1, 2, 1, 2. 1,
There's
2.
no protection. It's the higher noises.
1, 2.
I can hear that thing peaking in my ears now.
1, 2, 1, 2.
Yeah.
Chad. Live at 5. 1, 2. Sock on. That's what my wife said on the first date. No, I'm kidding.
Yeah, I'm gonna go P for TP.
Okay, you pee then.
Round one. We're gonna bring out the big gun.
Bro, you can't poo, eh?
No.
If you poo, I'm bro. Yo, I need to hedge if you poo. Play macaroni noises. Let's hear it. I don't think there's macaroni noises. Took a scale in. Yeah, look, gold is bullish, and we are now on the sell side of this 200 EMA. We ideally wanted to get it from here. That is ideally where we wanted to get it from. But yeah, Chad. Ads going crazy. You guys shouldn't get so much ads though. Delay the ads. I've put a delay on there now. Because it's set too low. If you guys don't believe me, let me just show you guys. That helps. So I'm gonna bring it across so you'll
There
see.
we go.
We've put it on automatic, and then the frequency is low. Fewer ads for viewers, lower earnings potential.
There we go, Chad. People think that this P for TP is
Okay, let
some
me
made
go.
up thing.
Let me go. P for peer. Bro, man, you just still not right, bro.
Chris, it's bouncing back, bro. You know, hurry up. Yo, double dose. Dane, it's drastic times call for drastic measures, eh? We had to be like, yo, gotta bring out the big guns here. I was waiting for the shot like a sniper. Chad. Is it playing with us here? Chris now went, oh, Chad, you can't do that. You can't do that. Who whips out that poo, we in trouble. Then we in trouble. Let's see, come on, gold. We believe in you. What trade do you guys use? A lot of our stuff is based off of very simple support and resistance, but obviously there is some strategies more around it in depth. But yeah, for that you're gonna need to be part of Project G there. But yeah, we believe in keeping it simple. The P for TP strategy, that's it. Volume profile. It's like holding steady. It's holding steady at break even basically. We're putting up a good fight here, but it's fighting back. Kyle, I have a friend who's still using the iPhone 7. Oh my word.
That's a top G phone. My lucky number. My question is, Keeks, how do you tell your wife you're busy working and all you're doing is you're sitting and watching? Well, we can hear you, Chris. Chris not going pee for it. No. I'm not going to chance a poo. It's payday today at Fubs, eh? Technically, it's supposed to be next week, but I almost feel bad, like...
Yeah. No, it is this week.
Is it this week?
It is this week.
Okay. Is the Iron 2K? Yes, it's still a thing, my brother. It is still a thing. Shit, Keys, maybe this trend line thing actually works, bro. What if this trend line thing is actually a thing, bro? And this was the breakout of the trend line.
Bro, have faith.
But check, then we're gonna get the retest on the trend line. You check that. Okay, I feel better now, Keeks. Check that.
I see, bro. I see.
Yo, I was nervous there for a moment. But we're gonna get the trend line break and the retest into the order block. Oh, bro, this is a long stream. At what stage do we close this trade at break even, Kiki? Is it TP or stops?
We're going TP, bro.
TP, there we go. 30-minute closure is looking great. It's still bullish, this 30-minute closure. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
We're putting up a good fight, though.
Good fight of faith.
That's what matters here, bro. It's a good fight. Ed and Bonang go till 11:30 sometimes. The only problem is, Tandeka, nothing against the other boys. We love them, but they're not as busy as Chris and myself. There's not as much on the plate for them that they need to juggle. They still have other stuff to do.
It is quite busy.
Okay, Ed we can give.
Yeah. Bonang
Bonang
is his
goes to
own boss.
Bogart.
Yeah, Bonang is his own boss.
Bonang's here and then he's off to Bogart.
Bonang does what he wants. Why did I enter this trade with Kiki?
I told you, bro. Why did you enter Solskjaer? Like, why would you do that?
Keegs. We gotta hope this this SVP, this POC holds for us. Otherwise, we are. Come on,
Just run.
come on, Gold, you can do it.
You know what I also noticed? It's on that 39.50. We just need that 39.50 to break, bro. It's like there's so much on that level for holding it. Just go, Gold. Just go. I will say though, if we don't go now, I think we are going to chill here a while.
Okay, Keek, so I've got a sound for us when we win a trade now.
Are we going to hear it or we only hearing if we hit TP?
No, we gotta wait for TP. The chat needs to wait for TP.
Right. New 1 hour candle incoming. Woo!
Oh, we investors here in gold now. Is this the new 1 hour? Let's check it. Oh, Keek. The only thing is we're between two levels here on the hourly. Check here. So we've got this level there. And then we've got this little level here. So that is literally where we are. But we can agree that this broke structure. So I don't know how deep this wants to go. Because that was our ideal sell zone was there. On that break of structure there. But we've got this level here, so Keegalezi, this POC is holding my bruv.
It's putting up a good fight, bro.
Should we close the shorts and go long?
You won't do that.
Nah, I'm joking.
Hold tight. Brian. We are fighting against those gold bars for you, bro. We are keeping these markets down here.
I think Brian is actually long, my dude.
That's it, Chad. Brian's sitting there going the whole time, and he's just like,
I'm in the longs.
They're not giving up. I'm going to add another lot. They're still not giving up. I'm going to add another lot.
Yeah, but I can't see... No, this wasn't in the module I teach Brian. Brian would have waited for a retest on the 50. I don't think he's long, eh? Unless Brian took this fake out back into the range. No. Maybe Brian is long from here. So then it would be out already. So you could actually bring the market down. There's your 45. Okay, let's check the 1. Was there a retest?
Come on, Brian. Just give up the fight there, bro. We're not going anywhere.
Oh, Keegalezi.
We might be going somewhere.
Nah, I think we're getting chopped, Keegs.
Yeah, I don't want to be negative, bro, but
I think we're getting chopped, my bruv.
it's not looking the best here for us.
Been on a bit of holiday. We are. We just need to. We just need to plan. Seems we're setting to NYSE kicks. Just one straight up stream.
You might, bro, because I might have to still leave for my egg.
What time is your egg?
11:30.
And I'm going at
1:30.
I'm only at 1:30.
Hey, boo.
Oh, so you actually need to run.
Yeah. On that note, I actually think I am going to leave. I still need to go call cash. Chad, I'm going to see you guys there. I'm going to be praying. Yeah, I'm going to set...
Will you draw my cash as well, and then I can just geo-pay you?
Yeah, that's cool. I'm going to do a little alert there, just so I know, Chad, later, like, it's going to come here. We're gonna edit here, and we're going to say message TP hit gold.
As you go out, just ask one of the ladies there if I can just have a small one. Yeah.
Okay.
It's a small cup. You're gonna check Keegs driving out in the car. Do you sometimes do that? And you put your phone there and you look at it? Or do you like not look at it so that when you look at it, it's like that Russian roulette? It's like,
You know
am
what
I
it
blue?
what it
Am
comes
I
down
red?
to is you're gonna sit there and it's that moment of, if I just open up my MetaTrader, am I still in a position or not? If
Oh,
I'm
yeah.
in, then I know. If I'm not, then it's like,
It's almost like this little bit of Russian roulette. Oh yeah, the giveaway. Let's do the giveaway, chat.
I know, but yeah. Peace and love, chat. I'm gonna see you guys a little bit later.
Coffee key. Alrighty, ladies and gents, let's do the giveaway here for you guys, as promised. Alrighty. Chat, to be very honest with you guys, that hourly level there, if we start to close above it, we are going to go for that level we initially wanted this morning. But yeah, that is dollar still going strong. US 30, nice little rebound there. NAS, solid rebound as well. German 30, like I said, I am still waiting for us to get back into the Asia range. No sells for me. Then obviously gold. How long have we been in this though? Oh, too long. Alrighty. Chat, so the giveaway, very simply, I need you guys to be active in the chat. You need to just see okay, active in the chat. You need to be subscribed and you need to have liked the stream, and that makes you eligible to win. It's going to be a random giveaway, no numbers or anything. It is just going to be purely selection. Okay. Righty, currently we've got 66 entries. 67. Just to show you guys. There you can see the entries filling up. Wait, let me do this. There you can see it there. Oh, you can't see it at the bottom. Let me do this. There you can see how the entries are filling up. So I'm going to give you guys a chance for everyone to get involved with this giveaway. Okay, let's see how many entries. 103. Alright, Chad, I'm gonna say 10 past 11. That is 1 minute 36 seconds. We shall be doing the giveaway. So I hope you guys are ready. One minute to the giveaway. Alrighty, Chad. Is that 200 on the one? Yeah, I don't think we're going down, ladies and gents. I just want to show you guys something on the 15 year. There was a break on the 15, pulled back this 15, closing bearish, but you can see failing to continue lower. And also, if you look left with me in this area right there, all right, you can see that initial rejection earlier this morning at the open, and now basically again rejecting it, but this 50 now holding above. So we are very likely going all the way back up to 39.58, but we still have a chip and a chair here. Alrighty, Chad, let's do the giveaway. 10 past 5 minutes, there we go. Okay, let's choose the winner. Rashiki Tech, you are the winner, my brother. Rashiki Tech, there we go, ladies and gents. I haven't seen Rashiki Tech yet. Chat, that is the trade. Stopped out. Boom. Let me just show you guys. Slaughtered. Alrighty, Chad. Al-Wazi. Let's check. Okay. Rashiki, how to get your prize, my brother? Please email support@vaultfunder.trade and please send a screenshot of your YouTube profile. Okay, just to make sure it is you that is getting the account. Chad, unfortunately, gold doing a number on us here, turning shy a little bit this morning from where we wanted to get short. However, that is part of it. A little bit later this afternoon for NYSE, if we are going to start trading above here, then that is going to signal for me that the buyers are back in control. That's your daily flip. Back above the 200 EMA, and yeah, then all of this was just accumulation for the move up, and then the sellers are going to be exhausted. But I'm not going to take another shot at it here. Even if it rejects, it's too late into the session for me. But again, there's your 200 EMA. You can monitor this. Potential rejections there, but I'm not going to take it. Dollar still running. Like I mentioned, if we could close back in one of these ranges, you could see a pullback. However, we're still holding the breakouts. Even if you look here, so dollar still going strong here. US 30, nothing there for me. Absolutely nothing that I like. We'll see what we do at Asia highs a little bit later. NAS, the only thing I liked was that short from there potentially into Asia lows. This is now ready to flip bullish on the day. Gold, like I mentioned, nothing there. German 30, I'm still waiting for either the daily flip a little bit later, or I'm going to monitor Asia lows, daily pivot, and then above that 200 EMA. But that is the only thing that I'm looking at. Relatively slow here this morning. Marginal. This is a game of margins. Fortunately, taking an L. But Chad, we will see you guys 3 p.m. this afternoon for NYSE session. I think things can start to heat up a little bit then. But really, Chad, baby, it's bear. We're going to see you guys this afternoon, and we will chat then. Peace and love, baby. See you guys a little bit later. Peace.
Funny how something can hurt you so bad, but you fall right back. Happy happens just like that. And I'm not quite convinced that it won't end the same this time. Tell me, can people really get a fresh start? Should I be more careful with my heart? I'm treading carefully. Crazy how something can scar you so deep, but you fall right back. I'm not ready to need you again, unless this time we're holding on. The truth is I don't know how to forget. So when I saw you coming, I knew I'd be swept right back up, and I didn't care. Been hiding from the truth, but it got me nowhere. 'Cause I'm not ready to need you again, but I need you again.
Music is my therapy, dancing is my medicine. Lifting every part of me, I'm free from what I'm living in. Music is my therapy, dancing is my medicine. Lifting every part of me. So don't tell me you want me, just because you're lonely, just because you saw me at the party. Bring my homies, we can take it slowly, we can take it slow. So don't tell me you want me, just because you're lonely, just because you saw me at the party. Bring my homies, we can take it slowly, we can take it slow. Because music is my therapy, therapy, therapy. Music is my therapy, therapy, therapy. Music is my therapy, therapy, therapy. Music is my therapy, therapy. So don't tell me you want me, just because you're lonely, just because you saw me at the party. Bring my homies, we can take it slowly, we can take it slow. Music is my therapy, dancing is my medicine. Lifting every part of me, I'm free from what I'm living in. Music is my therapy, dancing is my medicine. Lifting every part of me. So don't tell me you want me, just because you're lonely, just because you saw me at the party. Bring my homies, we can take it slowly, we can take it slow. So don't tell me you want me, just because you're lonely, just because you saw me at the party. Bring my homies, we can take it slowly, we can take it slow. Because we can take it slow.
left your perfume on the pillow and your whispers in the air. Got your face stuck in the mirror and I keep finding your hair. Got a big box in my closet with the fall pictures we took. Oh, and I keep finding dog ears that you left in my books. Miss your ache and I just crash over, cause you crashed in like a tsunami. Woke up next to you so hungover, sunlight painted stripes on your body. I'd give anything that I have for just another one of your nights. You can have an arm and a leg, just a minute more of your time. Check our playlist, put it on low in the car, and your jacket's on the hanger right where you left it in March. Every night I'm on my phone like maybe you'll text me again, but all I get are reminders that we're better off as friends. Yeah, got your toothbrush sitting in the bathroom, got your slippers waiting by the bed. Every little thing you left here, ever since you left, you've been living rent free in my head. Keep telling everyone I'm trying to move forward, but it's so easy getting stuck in the past. Every little thing you left here is sitting where you left it last. Miss your ache and I just crash over, cause you crashed in like a tsunami. Woke up next to you so hungover, sunlight painted stripes on your body. I'd give anything that I have for just another one of your nights. You can have an arm and a leg, just a minute more of your time.
Blinding lights, lost in your eyes, feeling the pressure.